Welcome to the ultimate hands-on course for mastering the art of graphics design and video editing using industry-standard tools. Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro, whether you are a creative enthusiast, a social media marketer, or an aspiring filmmaker, this course is designed to empower you with practical skills and knowledge through real-world projects. What you learn: Adobe Photoshop Essentials. Master the fundamentals of Photoshop from layers and masks to advanced photo manipulation techniques. Dive into graphic design principles and create stunning visual content for various platforms. Explore typography, color theory, and composition to enhance your designs. Adobe Premiere Pro proficiency. Understand the basics of video editing, including importing, cutting, and arranging clips. Learn advanced editing techniques, transitions, and effects to add depth and professionalism to your video. Work with audio, apply color grading, and create visually engaging motion graphics. Real-world projects. Social media, graphic design, eye-catching social media posts, banners, and promotional material to boost your online presence. YouTube channel intro, create a captivating intro video for your YouTube channel, incorporating animations and effects. Short film editing. Dive into the art of storytelling by editing a short film, adding subtitles, sound effects, and musics. Commercial advertisement. Develop a professional commercial ad from scratch, integrating graphics and video seamlessly. Course features. Step-by-step tutorials. Follow along with detailed, easy to understand tutorials for each project. Creative challenges. Test your skills with creative challenges designed to enhance your problem-solving abilities. Feedback and critique. So receive feedback on your projects, allowing you to improve and refine your work. Industry tips. Gain insights into the latest industry trends, techniques, and shortcuts used by professionals. Portfolio building. Create a portfolio showcasing your completed projects ready to impress potential clients or employers. By the end of this course, you'll not only have a deep understanding of Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro, but also a portfolio of high-quality graphics and edited videos that showcase your skills. Whether you're pursuing a freelance career or aiming to enhance your personal projects, this course provides the hands-on experience you need to succeed in the competitive world of graphic design and video editing.